Welcome back to Our Small Home Life. I am Haley. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about organizing, but it's sort of something that I'm going to do into a series, and how we start to organize everything as we put things away, as our kitchen is almost near completion. We really only need the floors, and then our kitchen is going to be done. So today I am just going to focus on one little shelf, and it's this adorable little shelf that we got from IKEA. I'm going to show you what I decided to do with it and how I quickly organized it. So I hope you enjoy. Okay, so this is the shelf that we bought, and actually it's just like a pine finish, which goes really nicely with our butcher block countertops, and it was really easy to put together. It did not come with the screws to go into the wall, but thankfully we have most of those around the house on supply anyways. So I want to show you what I decided to put into it for now. Of these quick sort of organizational videos for you guys as we start really putting things away, decluttering the stuff that we already have. I hope this was helpful to you. Maybe it's something that you could do. Also, I'm gonna try to do something different here. I don't really like the idea of the maple syrup. I don't know, maybe if I should do a little canister with the spoons that I use to scoop out tea. I'd love to know your thoughts. But other than that, I do hope you enjoyed. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Go ahead, subscribe so you don't miss out on future organization videos, and enjoy your day.